Boom, you done know people. We're back in the kitchen, it's Bally Chef, and today man's gonna be showing you 2 easy ways how to clean and skin chicken drumsticks. So the first one I'm gonna show you is just a simple bare hand technique. So as we just pull down the skin, pull it from all the sides, and then you just get a good grip, and you try and pull it. So now this is the problem why I prefer the other technique I'm going to show you guys, because it can be a little bit tricky. So to take the last bit of the skin off, a nice trick is you just use the knife and then you pull it. There we go. Nicely skinned. So the second technique I'm going to show you is my favourite. I think it's the easiest. It's the cloth technique. So now, for the cloth technique, exactly the same way. Peel it, and just leave all the skin just hanging. You can take a cloth, obviously grip onto it, and the cloth just literally pulls it away. Done.